Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm creating this look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, enjoy the video. So today I'll be starting off with my eyes, and I will be using the Shape Tape Concealer. Then I'll be grabbing my little beauty blender. This one is part of the Jeffree Star pack of 3 beauty blenders, which I got from Morphe. And next I'll be taking my Rimmel Stay Matte to just powder down my eyes so they can set for the eyeshadows. So next I'll be taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r primer. So next I'll be taking my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, and I'm in the shade Enquiries. I think that's how you say it. And I'm just applying that with a paddle brush before I buff it out with my beauty blender. Next I'll be taking my Tarte Shape Tape again to conceal under my eyes, and I'm in the shade, I use the shade Fair Neutral. So next I'll be taking my beauty blender that I used before from the Jeffree Star Morphe collaboration. And this is such a good little beauty blender. I love how it's just so little and it gets right under your eyes for the concealer. So next I'll be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set under my eyes. For my powder, I'll be using the MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm in the shade NC25. I'm sorry if this video starts to go blurry at one point. I think it just went out of focus for a little bit. I'm just going to be dusting off the translucent powder from under my eyes. So for contour, I'm going to be taking the KKW Beauty Contour and Highlight Palette. I really like to be nice and bronzed, especially in summertime, because I'm so white. And next I'll be taking the Galifornia blush from Benefit. I'm not really a blush fan, but I do like just a little bit here and there. Next I'll be taking my Ofra highlighter, Rodeo Drive. This is hands down the most amazing highlighter. You guys definitely need to get it and try it out. So next I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palettes, and the shade I'm using is MFEO. This is a really nice transition shade to start off with, and then you can just keep adding on and on, as you will see. The next color I will be using is Butter. I don't know why it got really blurry all of a sudden, but I'm sorry for that, guys. And the next color is Pukey. It's like a mustardy brown kind of color. And now I'll be using Roxanne. This color I am using now is Hunts, which is such a nice like reddy brownie tone. So beautiful. Next I will be using Hustler, and this is like a shimmer. Now I'll be taking Firework and Queen and I'll be mixing the two together. I was going to just place it in the center of my eyelid, but I thought, why not, I'll just use it on all my eyelid. Then next I will be using Pukey, so I'm just going to do under my eyes now. And then I'm going to get this mocha color as well and just put it right under my waterline. Then next I will be taking Hunts and Roxanne and mixing the two together to make my under eyes even darker. And next I will be taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter. It is such a gorgeous gold glitter. It is honestly my favorite. As well as the Stila Magnificence, but this is amazing as well. So I will be highlighting my brow bone with the shade N-Light. Then I will be using Beam for my tear duct. These shades are so beautiful. For my eyebrows I'll be using Kabrow by Benefit Cosmetics. And I'm in the darkest shade, which is number 6. And I'm just taking this Morphe brush just to lightly fill them in. Next I will be taking Roller Lash by Benefit. This has to be the most amazing mascara I have ever used. You guys have to try it if you haven't already. For lashes today I'll be using the Lilly Lash Goddess Lash Kit. This is a limited edition kit, but these lashes are to die for. They're so dramatic. I live for them, as you can see. Then I'll be taking Roller Lash again and use it on my bottom lashes. For lipstick I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the shade Celebrity Skin, and this is a matte finish as well. I'm in love with Mannequin and Celebrity Skin from Jeffree. They are so good and the quality of the lipstick is amazing. It stays on all day. Even if I eat something, it still like stays on, which is incredible. And for setting spray I'll be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.